Morning everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. So we had done the algebraic portion for the limits. So now we have to move on to the second portion, which is the trigonometric part. Okay, so question number 12 should be done by you. Question number 13, sine ax by bx. So out here what you have to do is that you should know that you have a formula of limit x tends to 0 sine a by ax by bx ax sine x by x and log limit x tends to 0 tan x by x. These are your two basic formulas which you should know. So out here you have a bx and top of numerator you have an ax, so you multiply ax on both the sides, on the numerator as well as in the denominator. So what you get is out here is limit x tends to ax by ax and a by b separately. Okay, so the limit x tends to ax by ax is equals to 1 and a by b is a constant which will be coming forward. This is the fourth fundamental law for limit, okay, which I had made you copied in the live class. And students who haven't copied it, kindly take notes from other students as well, and in the video also it's been explained quite clearly. Now question number 14, same logic will be applied out here. You have a limit x tends to 0 sine ax, so you divide and multiply by ax, and denominator bx you multiply and divide at the denominator with bx and bx in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So it will be left by a by b, only a by b, and that x goes off, and limit x tends to 0 sine x by x, you know it's 1. So when x tends to 0, ax will also tend to 0. So limit numerator and denominator both comes out to be 1 by 1, giving and the answer is 1, and a by b into 1 is a by b. Okay, now you have to evaluate the given limit as x tends to pi, sine pi minus x and pi minus x as it is. So fairly simple, instead of x you have pi minus x, so leave it like this. And the limit, look at the limit very carefully, it's x tending to pi. Okay, so x minus pi will be tending to 0 when you bring pi on LHS. Therefore your answer will be 1 by pi, because whole of thing pi minus x as one term, which is x or y in fact. Okay, I hope this much was clear. Now question number 16, limit cos x tends to 0, x tends to 0 for cos x is 1 and pi minus x, so you put the value of 0 directly, you will get 1 on the numerator, and on the denominator you will get pi. So 1 by pi is your answer. Okay, clear? Don't get it confused by sine x by x. Okay, just put x 0. See, sine x by sine x is considered as 1 because x by x it's coming 0 by 0 undefined. That is why the predefined formula was given. And how that formula was obtained, if you want, let me know in the comment section. I'll tell you that also, how the formula came. It's basically the expansion of sine series. Okay, now the 17th question, cos 2x minus 1 divided by cos x minus 1. So cos 2x minus 1, you know it's a formula, minus 2 sine square x by 2. And similarly for denominator, numerator will be x and denominator will be x by 2. So wherever there is x by 2, you have to make sure that denominator it has also x by 2, and whenever there is x, so it's 2 sine square x, 2 goes off, so sine square x and sine square x by 2. So it's x now, so multiply divided by x square, and in the denominator multiply divided by x square by 4 and x square by 4 in the denominator as well. So when you solve it, x square goes off, you left with only 4. Okay, see, limit x tends to 0, but you make sure you have to separate these things very clearly. And after this numerical is done, your answer is coming 4. Now question number 18 I'll be giving it to you as a homework. Okay, you have to just separate ax by bx and that x cos x by b sin x. Okay, and you'll be good to go. Question number 19 and 18 will be given as a homework. Okay, so make sure you do all of these numericals. Total question number 19 is done. Next day I'll teach you the left hand limit and right hand limit, and then we'll be good to go with the chapter, good to go end with the exercise. Okay, so that's it for today's class. I hope you understood everything, and in case you face any difficulty, you can definitely try and leave your query in Google Classroom or in YouTube comment section. I'll definitely try and clear it out. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you, class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.